Hello everyone, welcome to my channel USA Stock Market Technicals, and today we're going to discuss about the best company in the world, Amazon. And it's one of my favorite companies, so let's begin with the resistance and support levels. As you can see, this is acting as a resistance. It tried to break out of the resistance, but it was a false breakout, so it went down again. And one more point over here. Yeah, so this can act as a resistance. Now we're going to look at the support zones. So this is the support zone or the demand zone. These purple lines or pink lines, you can say, like 2965 and 2884 levels are going to be the support levels, and the resistance level for Amazon is 366 and 3507. So we have to keep in mind these ranges and the levels. And the support level is this one. Earlier it was acting as a resistance, now it's acting as a support, as you can see. So this is one more level which was acting as a resistance repeatedly. Now it is acting as a support. I'm marking more levels so that it becomes easy for us. Now we have seen the daily chart levels. Now let's go to the weekly chart, if we can find something different. This is acting as a resistance on the weekly chart, so I'll mark this one. I'm finding support levels over here. Yeah, I can use them, and this looks good to me. Yeah, I'll mark this. This is one more level. I'm not sure whether it's going to come down so low, but I'm just marking for marking sake so that we have all the levels. Now let's go to the monthly chart. Monthly levels. Yeah, these are the levels. Actually, I think we have almost marked everything for Amazon. And now let's go back to the Fibonacci retracement. Yeah, so I'm going to take, at this point, I'm going to take this low. Yeah, so this is the high. Let's stretch it. So for learning purposes, I'm taking, yeah, now I have marked these levels, the mark. So I've taken this low, and I have marked it all the way to the top of this high. Okay, and extended it so that we can understand the levels, what we are looking at and how we're seeing things. So this stock has retraced almost 50%, as you can see, from the top levels, and it has done that almost twice, and it has bounced from the support levels of 2884 and 2965. So these are the good buying levels for Amazon, and we should try to accumulate the stock whenever there's a dip. If by chance the market becomes weak, the results of the elections have been announced or something goes wrong, then these are the levels we have to watch out for. 2632, 2498, or you can just remember 2500, and we should keep them in mind. If something goes wrong, these levels have to be used for accumulation, and that'll be really good buying opportunity. Now, how do we use these levels? How do we use the support and resistance levels marked on the chart? Now we basically see, this is the demand zone and this is the supply zone. So whenever the price will go at this range, you see, it'll have a selling pressure seen on top. So we can either book our profits over here if we have bought low, or we can short it with a small stop loss for intraday or some other things, and then let it come down and then book your profit. So this is the important thing. Now let's you know use the moving averages. Pink line is the eighth moving average, 8-day moving average, and the purple line, as you can see over here, is the 13-day moving average. Then comes the 20-day moving average, which is the blue line. Orange line is the 50-day moving average, and 100-day moving average is the black line, and 200-day moving average is the red line. So now we can see this stock has behaved in a very strong way. It has taken good support at the 20-day moving average and keeps bouncing from the 13 and 8 moving average. And now recently it had broken the 100-day moving average, but again it bounced. There was too much of volatility and it again bounced. So it's a good opportunity to book profit at this point and see how it goes, whether it's coming down or it's going up. So one more very good level, the best level to buy Amazon if we get a chance, is going to be 2832, sorry, 2632, this level 2632, and 2500 level. It's just near the 200-day moving average. So if by any chance, by any news or anything which the market makers or the big players don't like, and the stock comes down, 2632 and 2500 will be a beautiful level to buy and accumulate this wonderful company which is doing so well all over the world, and I really like it. So this is what I wanted to tell you guys. Now the one thing I keep telling again and again is the most important thing, that's the risk reward ratio. So if we buy near the support, like this one and this one, and if we sell, we try to book profits or sell near the resistance. So if we keep this in mind, we are not going to have our losses which are going to be big. We're going to have our losses which are going to be small, because we're going to protect ourselves with a small stop loss. So if we have a stop loss, then we have something which we can look forward to, moving forward without much loss and a good amount of profit. So stop loss in the system is a must. One should not keep a stop loss in your mind. It's important to keep a stop loss in the system, that is in your broker's site. Whether it's for you, it's a buying trade or a selling trade, that doesn't matter, but stop loss is a must. And if you want me to explain or find best buying or selling levels for other stocks which are your favorite in the US market, you can just leave a comment after subscribing to my channel saying that I subscribed. Please do the analysis of so and so stock, and I will do it for you. And before making any investment or taking a trade, please consult your financial advisor, because investment can be very risky, and I'm not a registered financial advisor or a stock market expert. I'm just a technical analyst trying to uh, make this video for educational purposes, and so that we can have a good experience when we try to invest in the market, and it should help you in the best possible way. So that's all I wanted to say today. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I hope you liked my video, and I'm looking forward for the next video, and it's going to be an amazing stock, and I just want it to be a surprise. So uh, see you again very soon. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and have a great day.